Morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode. We are on the mighty Miramichi River with good friends Tyler and Ben.
Good morning, everyone.
I'm so excited. There's just like so many fish. You can see their tails and stuff. They're breaking all around us. So
Looks like the spawning activity's already started. We're going to see if we can catch a few, maybe even have a little lunch. Let's get at her, guys. So I just bounced it off some. Cast, Tyler. Oh, we're on, guys.
There we go.
Okay.
First fish.
We're on. First fish. Tyler, here, reel this guy in, Tyler. Reel him in, buddy. Let me see your line there. Hang on now.
oh, I think he went off.
Oh, he came off.
You lost him.
Oh.
As you were passing the rod.
Yeah.
Next time, you could just reel him in next time.
He lost it first, and then he handed you the rod so he could blame you.
Oh.
Welcome to the Master Crow.
Oh, there we are. We're on. Oh, no, he's still on. Okay, Tyler, here he comes, buddy. Oh, look at all the fish following him.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, he's massive.
Listen, you could have put the net and caught 10. Look at them going after that top water. They're looking at it, but they're just not. Look at them.
Bring it on there, Ben.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's a bigger fish. Keep off that motor, buddy. You got 80-pound test there. Oh, look at your dad, Ben.
Oh, he's massive.
He's a big one.
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Look what's coming behind it, Tyler.
oh my.
Oh, we got him.
That'd be.
Oh, I just missed one.
You need the net?
Got one. Got him.
That's pretty far.
Go ahead, her.
That one's big, isn't it?
Little guy.
Oh, this is a big fish. Tyler, give me the net, buddy.
it?
Get the net.
Yep, got it.
Okay, put the net right down, buddy.
He's gonna bring it right to the net. Go right underneath him. Right underneath it. There you go.
Lift her up. Oh.
Good job, bud.
Okay, look at
Teamwork.
Makes the dream work.
that. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, wow.
Check that out, guys.
Make sure
Hey, Tyler, yeah, throw that out there, buddy. And Ben got one.
First striper 2024, guys.
Fish on.
Oh, here,
Go,
here,
Tyler.
Tyler. Here. Hold on. Keep your rod up. Oh my gosh,
buddy.
look at that.
Good job,
Tyler
man.
is fighting him
Take your
hard.
time with him.
Take your time, buddy. Check that out.
What fish this is, but it's
Hey, have you ever caught a fish like this before?
never in my life.
Okay, buddy, you got to keep your rod up at a 45, though. You got to work that rod.
Sure you're not hooked on bottom?
The bottom wouldn't be running away.
No. Look at this. Awesome. Going underneath the boat. Oh, underneath the motor. Underneath the motor.
Good job, buddy. Oh my gosh, look at this. Take your time, John. It's okay, it's okay. Beautiful. Okay, keep it right in the water.
Oh, I got an extra one. We got an extra one. There you go, buddy. First
Hey,
striper.
now show the cameras, Tyler.
Is that too big? That's too big. Bigger than 65?
Yeah, definitely.
Fish on, fish on.
There you go.
Okay. Remember, Tyler, keep it at 45 degree, buddy. Oh, I'm on too, boys.
Double header. Oh, this one's big too.
Little guy, Tyler's got one on too.
You got another big one. You're only catching big ones, Tyler.
All right, net.
Down there. Tyler.
Oh,
Stop right
Tyler,
there.
nice, buddy.
Stop right
Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, Tyler, that is a big fish. Oh my gosh, Ben, look at that. Woo!
Another monster.
Oh,
second lake monster.
Okay, Tyler, come up here. Show them your fish.
Woo!
Nice
Second
fish.
one of the day.
Okay, buddy, hang on to him right here. Hopefully you got a better grip than your dad does. Oh, there we're on.
Missed one.
We are on, guys.
Oh, almost a double header.
There's water.
Unbelievable. You it? If you don't mind hitting fish as it goes past.
Little baby. Tyler could use this one for bait. Got our musky gear out today. Oh, we're on. We are on, guys. Let me get that grip up a little higher. There he comes. Fighting hard with the old Mojo musky rod. Get the net on him. Ready? Oh, Tyler jumped. Oh, no, it was another one that jumped out of the net. Okay, hang on to him. There we go. Nice little fish. Okay, Tyler, awesome job on the net, buddy. Hey, guys, we marking any fish?
You just see them all.
Look at him, look at, oh, we got him. There we go, we got him.
Yeah.
Right there, guys. Not a bad fish. Okay, Tyler's got one, guys.
Another big one.
Yeah?
Okay, I'm gonna get the net, buddy.
He actually might be a.
Oh, double header, guys.
Oh. Okay, well, lift your rod tip. Yeah, there you go.
That might be a keeper.
Not so sure.
Too big.
No, I think we need nothing enough.
Oh, I think that might be a keeper, guys. Check that out, Ben. You know what I say, Tyler? You fish harder, not smarter. Oh, Ben.
There we go.
We're on, guys.
All right. This should be a keeper.
I hope so.
Putting up a fight like a keeper anyway.
Yeah, on the old musky gear. Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah.
Get the net on him, Ben.
Got it.
Oh,
Got a bonus, guy.
oh my. And hook two there, guys.
Well, I've caught two. I don't
Can
even
you
have
get-
to put a line in. I've caught two just with the net.
Exactly. Nice fish, guys. Look at them all, Ben. They're not touching it there. There they go. Oh, got him.
Got him. Nice.
Hit him there. Sorry, Ben. I'm sorry, buddy.
Right.
I can't even control him.
Oh, yeah. And a bonus. Nope.
There we go, guys. Another nice keeper.
Fish on.
There you go, bud.
Okay, Tyler, bring him in now, buddy.
He's off.
He's off?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, he's not. No, he's not. No, he's not.
Okay, you got him? Oh, that's a nice one too, Tyler.
Okay. Hang on here.
I got him. Here, you,
Oh, my wrist.
here, you do that. and I'll put it in. Watch your rod behind you, buddy. Oh, off, right? Sorry.
Whoa.
Take
Yeah.
it off.
I'll try.
Jeez.
Win one?
Got it. Right down.
Oh, Dad's got one.
Yeah, got him.
Little tiny fish.
No. All right. Little fish.
Perfect.
Right over the school there. Oh, geez. As soon as it hit the water, you hit it.
Never took?
The ones that go clack, 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 clack.
Yeah, with the great big crop on the top.
There's one. Little schoolie, I'm going to say. Yeah.
Yep. Look at all the school following him.
Okay, there he is. Another schoolie. Baby. Oh, there we go. Oh, nice fish, Ben. Okay, we're on.
Oh, he's massive.
Oh. Nice fish there, guys. Probably in the 60 centimeter class. Maybe too big. Because there was two of them there. I said, yeah, sure. I said, if you don't mind playing with old guys, right? So anyways, oh, Ben!
Beat them?
We beat him 7-0.
Who were you playing with?
Another guy, no, Andrew, his name is.
Okay, nice.
Give him the flick!
He's a keeper.
I think he is,
He's
Ben.
a keeper. Yeah.
Check that out, boys. Okay, you got him? Tyler's on, guys.
Hang on. Oh, that's good. Good.
Oh, nice. Nice fish, buddy.
I don't think so. It's a little small.
Okay, there's Tyler's little guy right there.
Beautiful third fish.
Hey,
Or
not-
fourth fish. or
Not
fifth.
as big as your other couple.
Nope.
Maybe the Master Crow can keep this guy right here and use him for bait.
Yep.
Tyler.
Oh, there's one.
Oh, there we go.
We're on, guys. Yes, sir, Ben.
Yeah.
I'm casting up
Nice little fish. Oh, there we go, Ben.
There we go.
Oh, lost him, guys. Lost him. Whew.
turning into Ben 2.0.
Ben 2.0. Woohoo. Now, Tyler, let's see if there's anything.
There we go, fish on. Oh, that's a good one too.
You got him
That's
still,
a good
Ben?
one, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, Ben's on, guys.
See if I can land one today. Okay. Yes, sir. There we go. Finally got one in the boat.
I thought I had one on, but it was this. Oh, I do.
Hey, yeah.
Oh yeah, look at it go.
That's it. Keep your pressure on him.
Look at it go.
Woo.
All right.
Keep the pressure on him, buddy.
I'm just gonna open
Rod
my
tip up,
spale.
rod tip
No
up.
way
No,
you
it come
started
off?
out.
Did he spit it?
Mother
That's all right.
flipper.
Okay.
That's all right, buddy.
Oh, Tyler had a big one there, guys. Boys, let's we'll make a few more casts around here, and if we're not into anything, then maybe what we'll do is I want to come out of here and maybe we'll troll down some. Right? Sure.